When you look down to the roles that are given to prophets and messengers, nothing is left to chance. There is a role for a prophet, and there is a role for a Rasul, a messenger. There is a role for the male in life, and there is a role for the female. There is a role for the man or for the husband, and there is a role for the mother. There is a role for the animals according to the Quran. وَالْخَيْلَ وَالْبِغَالَ وَالْحَمِيرَ لِتَرْكَبُوهَا وَزِينَةً. The Quran has given even animals roles. Nothing is accidental. The angels, they don't all play the same role. Some angels are there to breathe life into a fetus when the time is to begin. Some angels are there to claim lives when the time has ended. Some angels are managing the mountains. Some angels are managing the weather. Some angels manage revelation, wahi. Some angels take care of you when you are crossing the road. Nothing is left to chance. La ilaha illallah. So there you have it.